opposite direction. 5, 6, and we go. It's slow, quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, now. Close rocks, go slow. And a quick, quick, slow. A quick, quick, slow. A quick, quick, slow. And rotation. 1, a 2, 3, and a 4, 5, a 6, 7. We got 2 more. 1, a 2, and a 3, and a 4. Forward Samba walk. I'll do the arms. Crisscross, Botafogo's. And 5, face your partner. 2, hand hold. 8, together, away, together, and away. Side cross behind, side cross behind. And we'll get to where, keep videoing, that we're going to put turns and all of that. So please dance for me. Whisk, for you, 4, 1, a 2, 3, a 4. Keep doing a whisk to promenade. 7, 8. So that will become a turn, and we go. Boom, ba-da-da, and so on. 2, keep going, just so we can finish at 5, a 6, face your partner. 8, 1, a 2, 3. Do a whisk. 5, a 6, 7. This will turn into what we did from the last class, rolling off the arm and something else. So that'll just keep getting upgraded. We'll put